Hello, Chainsaw Pony. You might be wondering why I'm like this, because Limestone is sending a message to Blackheart because Blackheart won't be facing Evil and Lime. No. He will be facing Limestone in the future at WrestleMania 27. Stupid piece of hair. And if you might be wondering why Evil Lime will not be facing you, because he just wants to fight Chainsaw. No, he doesn't want to fight Blackheart yet. He wants to fight Blackheart. He wants to fight Chainsaw Pony at WrestleMania 30. The 30th anniversary of WrestleMania. And Chainsaw, if you do not accept Evil Lime's challenge at WrestleMania 27, I'm at WrestleMania 20. I'm at WrestleMania 30, then you're a chicken. And Blackheart, if you do not accept my challenge for WrestleMania 27, you're also a chicken. That's for you, Blackheart. Oh, and also, beware, Chainsaw. You will be having another response in the future after your response to Limestone. Now, for more breaking news, cartoons, you haven't been responding to me after I made a response to you. Where have you been, cartoons? Where have you been? Oh yeah, that's right. You're gonna be a chicken, because tomorrow you will be going to BronyCon and you will not be responding to me. That's how much of a chicken you are. Now, that's all I've got to say. Oh, and also, Blackheart, one more thing.